with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen to give you your favorite dishes, food, drink, you name it. But anyway, today I'm showing you how to get ready to soak in your fruits for next year Christmas. You know, every year Chef Ricardo normally has a bake the cake, Christmas over, ready again to soak your fruits. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to your LPL, give you some idea and tips what I'm talking about. Only thing at the moment, I didn't have the mixed fruits, but I got some raisin and I put the raisin to soak at the moment. I'm then gonna pull that back until next year, about roughly say in December we're gonna open that back. So you know what's gonna happen, it's gonna be really soaked properly. So guys, hopefully you will just do the same thing, and I'm gonna send out the link below, guys. You know what I mean, as I said, we bake the cake, the black cake, we get a lot of view on it, and it's going on really well on YouTube. So thank you so much, guys, for your support and for your time watching my video. It's amazing. I want to say Happy New Year when it come. You know what I mean, Christmas come and gone, so we're looking forward for 2016. Love from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye. Yes, guys, I know that, you know what I mean, we are to bake that lovely Jamaican black cake. Some people call it Caribbean dog cake. Some people call it all kind of name. You know what I mean? But the real Jamaican rum fruit cake, that's all we know it as. You know what I mean? I did make my cake. My cake done, dusted, finished already. But basically, all the fruits went off. But what I'm going to do, I didn't have the mixed fruits. But I got some raisin right here. I got a pack of raisin left over, and it's 500 grams. I got red label wine, and I have a small bottle of Ray and Nephew white rum right here. Basically, I'm gonna simply say to you, this is only, you know what I mean, a small bottle, roughly a couple corks. Well, so this is my container, which I normally soak my fruits in. So I use the fruits, make my Jamaican dark fruit cake, lovely and nice. You know what I mean? I get roughly about 2,800 so far viewers on it already. It's going on really well. So I'm going to show you how to soak your fruits for 1 year again. So every year this is what I normally do. So basically I'm just removing the top part, and then I'm going to pour the fruits straight inside of the bottle like this. So hopefully, oh, it's not going to be holding the whole 500 grams, not going to be holding. So what we're going to do, because we're going to put liquid inside of it, so you have to be careful, alright? But this is the way how Chef Ricardo soak his fruits every year, guys. And I'm basically want you to do the same thing. You can go to the local shop or the supermarket and get some fruits, you know what I mean, some lovely mixed fruits, and do the same thing with Chef Ricardo has been doing right here. So what I'm going to do now is basically I'm going to pour the red label wine in it like this. That's one bottle of the red label wine. Now I buy a big bottle of red label wine, but this is what I have left over, so I decided to just use it up. Alright, nice one. So that's 2 bottles of red label wine, and I have a small bottle of white Ray Navy right here, and I'm gonna pour everything inside of it like this. Nice one. That's exactly what we are talking about right here, guys. And then I'm gonna just simply pack it up back with some more fruits. Lovely and nice. And then cover it. And now, what's gonna happen, we're gonna soak that for 1 more year. So, you know what I mean, normally every year when my fruits, I make my black cake, I normally go and start to soak my fruits again. So this is what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna buy some more mixed fruits, and I'm gonna show you how to do also the mixed fruits, because there's no mixed fruits in this one. It's just only raisin alone inside of this one. So you can get some fruits and soak you some mixed fruits also when you're gonna do it. So guys, get ready again for next year 2016 Christmas for soaking your fruits lovely and nice, and make yourself a Jamaican lovely black fruit cake. Enjoy from Chef Ricardo, and see you next time. Bye bye.